Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Preeti and I would say I'm super excited to have you here for the very first coding class. In this series, we are going to cover entire coding curriculum in 200 classes. Yeah, you've heard it right, 200, and here is the plan. For the first 40 classes, we will start with mobile app development using block-based coding, and it's super fun and visual, perfect for beginners, I would say. After that, we will dive into web development with text-based coding. So get ready to start with writing some actual code. And then we will move to AI, machine learning, and Python for the final stretch of 40 classes. Throughout the course, I will guide you step by step through every concept. So whether you're a complete beginner or you have some experience, you will find the course helpful. Ready to start coding? Let's jump right in. So in today's class, we will learn the concept of sequence. What is sequence? That is a specific order in which instructions are executed in computer. Let's understand what sequence is with a real life example. So can you tell me what are the steps to clean teeth? Just think of steps to clean teeth. So for that, we are going to take a toothbrush, we are going to apply a paste on brush, and then we'll be cleaning our teeth. Then we can rinse the brush, and then we can keep the toothbrush back. But what if I say, just take a toothbrush, just apply paste on it, and then rinse it and put it back? Will we be able to finish a task? No. Why? Because we need to follow the sequence in order to clean our teeth. Yes? Now, let's code and understand how to give instructions to computer in a sequence. For that, we will be using a platform named code.org for first of all, 20 classes, I would say. And as I have already signed in here, so I will just show you signing out. This is the platform code.org you are going to search. And then you have to create account if you're not already a member. As I am a member, so I'll directly click on sign in here. Okay, I have signed in. If you do not have account, I repeat, you can just create an account from here. You just have to fill your details and you're good to go. Once you've just created an account, you have to remember your email ID and password. As I already remember my password, so I'm just putting that in. I click on sign in. So here it is. All your projects that you will be creating will be saved in My Projects. And these are the few labs that you can see some other time. We will also look at these now. Maybe some other day, not today. Okay. So these are the activities that I'll be putting in the description box that you can just practice. Okay, so where were we? We were discussing about sequence. That is the instructions that computer follow to finish a particular task, right? So let's first of all understand this user interface. On the left side, this is the play area where whatever the instructions you will be giving to the computer will be executed here. This is the block section from where you can just drag the draw and pull that to the workspace. Workspace is basically an area where you're just going to snap your code one after the other, and whatever you're going to snap here, whatever you're going to put here, when you press run, that will be executed here in the play area. Okay, so now you have an idea how the user interface looks like. So the first instruction says, for this puzzle, drag all the blocks together and hit run. Okay, this is the run button that we have to press after following the instructions. Okay, so this is the bird, and the bird has to catch this frog. So how many steps do you think we have to take to get this frog? 1 and 2, right? So when run means when I'm going to hit this run button, I want my board to move forward a step and then it'll move forward again. Okay, let's just run and see how it goes. So move forward, and the board catches the prawn, right? So what we did here, we followed the instructions to finish this particular task here. Okay. Now the second activity. Okay, this is the bird has to catch the frog. So what do you think, how many steps this bird has to go through to catch the frog? So it will move forward once, means it will reach here. Okay, again, I'll move forward and then move forward again. So I think it'll take 3 steps and we'll cache the prop. So 1, 2, 3. So sequence of instruction the board has followed to finish the task. Okay, so this seems pretty challenging. So let's try this one. So the board will move forward. So I will take move forward and then it has to turn left. Okay, turn left. And then after turning left, the board will move forward 2 times. So move forward, move forward. And say, if I right here turn right means the board will move to this direction. So won't be able to follow the sequence. So when this board will not follow the set of sequence, it won't be able to reach the frog. So it won't be able to catch it this way because we followed wrong instructions. So instructions, the sequence of instructions I would say here should be right to complete the task. Now the board will be able to catch the frog because we followed the right set of instructions. Okay, so other 3 activities I'll be putting in the description box that you can practice. So you see here the computer executes the code in the sequence of instruction that we provided. Even if the sequence is wrong, you have to make necessary changes so that the sequence of code work correctly, right? So this time I'll be giving wrong instructions here and you will see it will follow even if the instructions are wrong. Yeah, so this is your duty to give a right set of instructions so that your task will be finished. So we press run, it move forward, and then turn to the other directions because the instructions was wrong, so it won't be able to reach the frog. So let's follow the right set of instruction now so that the task will be finished. So I will just reset it to start it again. So we move forward 2 times, move forward, and then it will turn left, and then move forward, move forward. So 2 times, move forward. Let's hit run and see if it works. And here it catches the frog. So as you open the student activity 1, you can switch here. If you find the activity easier, you can just switch the activity from here as well. So this is the next activity. And if you're not willing to do that particular activity, you can change it like that. Okay, let's try this one. So the board has to catch the frog. So you can try this activity on your own and write in the comment box how did you find it. There are more activities as well. If you want to do, you can do these activities. In student activity 3, you will find this particular activity of collecting treasure that we are going to be doing now. So following the specific instructions to finish the task is what we are doing. From here forward 2 times and then turn left and then moving forward to collect the treasure. Okay, let's continue to the other activity. Okay, so it has to collect all the treasures. So it will move forward. So these are the set of blocks that are to be used to accomplish this task. So I will just take this out. I will move forward. Okay, move forward and then it has to turn right. So let's turn right and then move forward 2 times. So move forward, move forward. Okay, move forward, move forward. So this way not forward, but it hasn't connected the treasure yet. So connect the treasure, and then it has to turn left. It has to connect the treasure and turn left, now forward 2 more times, and connect the treasure. Let's run and see how it goes. Yeah. If I continue, this is one more activity to do. As I've already attempted it, so all the blocks are snapped correctly. You have to do it at your own end as well. So overall, I would say we need to follow the instructions so that the task should be accomplished. And computer follows the instructions line by line. So the condition applied is that the instructions given should be right to finish the task. So here we're ending today's class. I will be putting all the activities that we did in the description box. You can see all the activities, and most importantly, there are 2 more additional activities that I've added in the description box for those students who like to do something extra and something more challenging. So bye-bye. See you in the next class.